Can sneezing affect the placenta?
Quick fact: a single sneeze won't harm the placenta or baby in a normal pregnancy. The placenta and fetus sit protected inside the uterus and aren't affected by chest pressure from sneezing. The real risk is getting a serious infection like the flu. High fever or severe illness can raise pregnancy risks. If you have fever, trouble breathing, vaginal bleeding, or reduced fetal movements, seek care. Get your flu shot and stay hydrated and rested.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.